A quality NVMe to PCIe adapter ensures faster data transfer, stable performance, better cooling, and seamless SSD compatibility for upgrades. My today's video is about top 5 best NVMe to PCIe adapter review that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Sabrent M.2 NVMe SSD. Upgrading your desktop storage becomes effortless with this NVMe to PCIe adapter, designed for wide compatibility and reliable high-speed performance. It supports M.2 NVMe SSD sizes 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280, fitting most modern drives with ease. Just note that it requires a PCIe X16/X8/X4 slot and does not support SATA-based M.2 SSDs or PCIe X1 slots. Performance is where this adapter truly shines. By utilizing full PCIe lanes, it unlocks ultra-fast NVMe transfer speeds, ideal for gaming, content creation, and heavy multitasking. Large files load quickly, and system responsiveness noticeably improves. To maintain peak performance, it includes a durable aluminum heatsink and thermal pad, effectively dissipating heat and preventing thermal throttling during intensive workloads. Installation is simple and beginner-friendly, with included screws and screwdriver for a smooth setup process. Designed for stable signal transmission, it supports Windows 7 with NVMe hotfix, Windows 8, 10, 11, Linux, and modern NVMe-enabled BIOS systems, ensuring broad compatibility and dependable operation. Now our second product is Gen4 M.2 NVMe. This NVMe PCIe adapter is a powerful and flexible solution for upgrading desktop storage. It supports M.2 NVMe and HCI SSDs in 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280 sizes, making it compatible with most modern drives. Designed for PCIe X4, X8, and X16 slots, it leverages PCIe 4.0 lanes with up to 64 gigabits per second bandwidth, while remaining backward compatible with PCIe 1.0, 2.0, and 3.0. That means you can fully unleash the speed of PCIe 3.0/4.0x for NVMe SSDs for blazing fast boot times, file transfers, and application loading. Thermal management is a standout feature. The aluminum heatsink and 2 included thermal pads, thick and thin, efficiently dissipate heat, reducing throttling during heavy workloads. Installation is straightforward with both low-profile and regular brackets included, plus all necessary screws and tools. It supports Windows 11, 10.8, Windows Server Editions, and major Linux distributions without drivers. Windows 7 requires additional drivers, ensuring broad system compatibility and stable performance. Our third product is SUIDEC M.2 NVMe adapter. This 10 gigabits per second USB 3.2 Gen 2 M.2 SSD enclosure is a versatile all-in-one storage solution built for speed and flexibility. With USB acceleration and a USB-C interface, it delivers stable, high-efficiency data transfers up to 10 gigabits per second, while remaining backward compatible with USB 3.1 and 3.0. Whether you're moving large video files or backing up game libraries, performance stays smooth and reliable. What truly sets it apart is its broad drive support. It works with M.2 NVMe SSDs, 2230 to 22110, 2.5-inch/3.5 SATA SSDs and HDDs, plus 3.5 IDE drives. The tool-free plug-and-play design makes installation effortless, and it even supports hot swapping and automatic sleep mode after 30 minutes of inactivity. Safety features like overcurrent protection, trim support, and a vertical heat-dissipating design ensure stable long-term operation. The package includes all essential cables for quick setup. Compact and travel-friendly, it's ideal for professionals and tech enthusiasts managing multiple drives. Now number 4, GeekPi N04 M.2 NVMe. The N04 M.2 NVMe to PCIe Adapter is a specialized upgrade solution designed specifically for the Raspberry Pi 5. It allows installation of Gen4 NVMe SSDs in sizes 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280, providing users with high-speed storage expansion without the need for soldering. The included custom CNC SSD mount screw ensures secure installation, while additional M2 and M2.5 screws, spacers, and an FPC PCIe ribbon make setup straightforward and precise. Featuring a PCIe X1 interface compatible with both Gen 2 and Gen 3 standards, the adapter ensures fast, reliable data transfer. Its short trace routing fully meets PCIe 3.0 signal requirements, delivering stable performance. The ventilation hole design promotes excellent airflow, preventing thermal throttling during sustained operations. An integrated voltage regulator provides up to 3A on the 3.3V rail, adhering to the M.2 NGFF standard. For users seeking enhanced cooling, the adapter pairs seamlessly with multiple metal and aluminum Raspberry Pi 5 cases equipped with fans or active coolers, making it a versatile and efficient storage upgrade solution. And our last choice is Glotron's PA09 HSM.2 NVMe. This M.2 NVMe PCIe adapter is a powerful upgrade for desktops, converting any PCIe X4, X8, or X16 slot into a dedicated M.2 keyM interface. It supports 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280 NVMe SSDs, including high-capacity drives up to 4 terabytes, making it ideal for users needing speed and storage flexibility. PCIe X1 and legacy PCI slots are not supported, ensuring optimal bandwidth for demanding applications. The adapter works with PCIe 3.0 and 4.0 NVMe SSDs, delivering blazing fast transfer speeds when paired with compatible CPUs and motherboards. Intel CPUs prior to the 11th generation do not support PCIe 4.0, so speeds may vary. Included aluminum heat sinks reduce SSD temperatures by 5 to 20 degrees Celsius, maintaining peak performance during heavy workloads. Installation is user-friendly, with 12 cm regular and 8 cm low-profile brackets for any PC case. Compatible with Windows 11 10.8, Linux, and Mac OS, it even supports OS booting on modern systems. FCC and CE certified, it comes with lifetime tech support for troubleshooting, ensuring reliability and peace of mind. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.